Okay, so I'm going to start at the beginning. Hi, I'm Margaret Ta'ala and I'm from New Learning. Today we're going to be looking at modelling, what that is as a teacher, a modelled lesson, and it's going to be a modelled lesson of using expression. This lesson would be used for anyone from 6-7 years of age through to intermediate, and you would focus on what particular expression that they needed to do. And this would be only targeted at people who don't use expression. There's no point in teaching people to use expression when they already do. You could differentiate it. You could target different students by speeding up and slowing down, by showing the importance of going at a good pace, not too fast and not too slow. Okay, so this is what that would look like. Welcome today. Welcome to, why am I saying welcome today? Oh my gosh. Okay, try again. Hi guys. So we're going to be reading a story called The New Cat. And today's lesson, what we are learning is how to use expression in our voice. So why would we want to learn about use expression when we read? Well, that's because when we read, when we talk, we use expression. That's right. When you talk, you use expression, and when you ask questions, you use expression. Yeah. So in Samoan, you go up and down. You go galowai, Oh. And then there's some other words that tell people that you're not happy. And the way that you can say it, just even the word leai, 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 just the way we answer it using a tone also tells people what we are feeling and thinking. So it's important when we read that we also add it. It helps other people to understand, and it helps ourselves to understand also when we are reading. Has anyone ever gotten a new cat or a new animal? You have? Yeah, hands up. Yep, you have. What was your cat's name? And how did you get your cat? And you got a dog? When did this year? Awesome. Okay, so you all know what it's like when you're having a new cat or a dog. What happens? They're cute, yes, because they're little. Do they listen? Like a little kid, aren't they? Like you guys sometimes. That's right. So they don't always listen, okay? And they're always looking for what? They're always looking for food, and they're always looking for us. That's right. So let's read about this new cat, okay? The new cat. The new cat. The new cat liked the milk, gobble, gobble. He liked the cat food, gobble, gobble. The new cat jumped on the table. He liked the fish, gobble, gobble. The new cat jumped on the bench. He liked the ice cream, gobble, gobble. He is a greedy cat. Now, I want you to look at a couple of things in here. Now, we all know that this is a full stop, right? And at a full stop, it is important to pause. So how I would do that is go, the new cat liked the milk. And these two words, gobble, gobble, in this story make up a whole sentence. But notice there is a comma there. And how I was taught when I was little was when you have a full stop, take a big breath. And when you have a comma, take a small pause. So it should sound something like this. The new cat liked the milk. Gobble, gobble. And then we move on to the next one. He liked the cat food. Gobble, gobble. The new cat jumped on the table. As there were no pauses and no other things, you can do it all on one. Now, I focused on the word jumped when I read that. Why? Yeah, because cat's not allowed to jump on the table, and that's a bit shocking, isn't it? And on this one, the new cat jumped on the bench. What would happen if your cats jumped on the bench? That's right. They would not be inside for much longer, would they? Mum and Dad would not like that. Okay, yes, they might do some of those things. You're right. So I would read it like this. The new cat jumped on the bench. And I read it like that, jumped on the bench, because jumped, the way I said it, sounds like a jump in a way. The new cat jumped. Can you hear the jumping in my sound? So we want to try and read it how we want it to be heard. Well done. So what I want you to do now is I'm going to give you the same book, and I want you to read it to your partner, and I want you to now read it with expression. Well done, everyone.